Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Ant, and today we're gonna be making a video of the new car I just got. I got rid of the CO, so we're not working with the CO anymore. The reason why was because I wanted to do more modifications to my car, and there was not enough support on the CO, so I got this car right here. Yeah. Nigga, that shit look trash. You're gonna have to edit this. So I got rid of the CO. We're rocking with a Civic EK hatch right now, and all I gotta say is that I have a lot of plans for this car. The car is meant, the motor is meant, I'll show you guys the motor in a bit. It's just a single cam D16. And as far as just like bodywork, I have a new fender for it. Just bodywork is all it needs. Today we're gonna be changing the brakes and the rotors, because when I got the car, the brakes literally on my way back over here, dropping off the car, the brakes just fell off, and the brakes were actually locking up on me. So today we're gonna be doing brakes, rotors, and we're gonna be installing a quick release inside the EK hatch. Single jingle. D16.
No leaks, Poppy. Yo, where I put my coffee?
The only thing I'm gonna need is basic tune-up, oil change, oil filter, spark plugs, and the car should be running mint. And then I need an air intake too. I don't know what the fuck. I think I'm about to cut a hole in the hood and have this popping out. What do you think?
That'd be badass.
Race car.
Right? Bam, 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 bam. Just put an exhaust right here.
But
Also, I'm not doing anything. These two are going to be doing the work today. I'm not touching not one car, so they can start doing shit by themselves. So they could learn and not have to fucking call me and be like, oh, could you do my brakes?
Nah,
Please?
you gonna learn today. You gonna learn today.
You gonna learn
So
too.
I'll be cameraman.
You gonna learn what a long dick looks like today. You gonna learn what a long dick looks like today. What happened? It's the interior. It's pretty dirty. I haven't took it to the car wash or anything. It needs a fucking vacuum. I threw my shift knob that was on the CL, all my bracelets and all of that. Seats have... This shit doesn't even have a fucking lever. Like, I almost cut my fingers, like, just trying to fucking push this shit back. The muffler fell off, so I'm riding with open headers right now. The back is pretty the back is actually cleaner than the front, but I'm good in this car anyways. And these seats are coming off too. Miguel got a little present for me. They're in that car. Let's see how this goes. Both of these chokes, he's doing the brakes.
It's not even closed. No, it's not.
You gotta push in the lever. But it's it needs a little bit of work, body-wise, but since I started working at the auto body shop, I'm gonna hook them up. Just has to get certain parts for it. It'll come out dope though. This build is gonna be nasty.
What happened to the pole?
Can I hear a D16 turbo?
Yo.
D16 turbo? D16 turbo?
I'm only gonna run like
D16 turbo?
Not yet.
I'm only gonna run like 30 psi.
You know? Oh, you bitch! You bitch! You. I got this shit on camera! You bitch! Yo! Them shits is on. Okay, no, you didn't snap that. As long as you didn't break my fucking my ratchet, I'm good. I'll get another. Well, you buy me another one of those, but it's all good.
Fuck.
Those are like $2-3. They're Harbor Freight. That's probably why they keep breaking, because they're Harbor Freight.
Probably.
Harbor Break.
Damn.
We'll get this out now.
I don't got a 19.
Loosened. They did it by themselves. It's just for a little. He already fucking. Y'all saw that. He broke my shit. Y'all saw that shit on camera. He owes me like $5. But teamwork. What's gonna work?
Alright.
Teamwork. already got everything off. My boy's turned into a pro. My little brother. He's got it. Really having how to help him. Ooh, this looks so nice. It looks way better, eh? Listen, this turned into the most difficult brake job. So basically what happened, the pistons, they were seized in the calipers. So I had to do a lot of shit to push them back in, but they're good now. They're looking pretty good. The brakes are on, calipers are, the brake pads are on, the discs are on. They both did it. I just had to do the thing, the pistons. My brother's put it on the wheel. After that, it's done. This guy's complaining because he doesn't like oil on his hands. Pussy! Don't worry about the fender, like I said. We got another fender. Ooh-wee. Ooh. To the other side. Uh-huh. Alright, let's clean up. Got the mechanic, Mr. Mechanic. Testing out the whip. Seeing if the brakes are good. Right now it looks like we have to bleed the brakes. I got the digital dash. Brakes, because when he first got the car, it needed brakes and it was kind of low, but we thought it was low because the brake pads were bad, because that was what happened to mine. I didn't have to bleed mine were just bad because the brake pads were pretty shitty. Once I put the new brake pads, that was good and I had pressure on the brakes. Well, we're gonna see. I'm gonna take out this wheel, see if something's not right, see if if it's leaking brake fluid out of the little the bleeding bolt, whatever the fuck this shit's called. See if that's tight or what's going on. See if we're gonna attempt to put it on to see if it'll fit.
Bro, the only thing I like about this car is this little dash thing right here. I can just put all my screws through.
It's the only thing you like?
Yeah. That's it. Cause bro, my windows don't work.
Yeah, they do.
My radio doesn't work.
But he has AC. So he's got the steering wheel on. It's mad hyped. Anyways, we're about to go meet up with Doug with the turbo Volvo. I think he's in his Infinity. I'm not sure, but he's down on the side of the highway. So we're gonna go home. I didn't really get to record it, but we just helped Doug with his Volvo. He had a couple, well, he didn't have a couple. He had an issue with a bolt coming off, and his car started overheating. So we came by, fixed what he had to fix, and now we're on our way back home. The hatch is running really good. He's happy. The steering wheel's on. We got brakes now. All we have to do, well, he has brakes, but it's all the way in the ground. So we gotta bleed them, and then it'll be perfect. From there, we'll start doing cosmetics. We just gotta put the fender on. Gotta get a new hood, fix the door. This little shit, put in exhaust. And that's pretty much it. Well, I think that's it for this video. So, see you guys later.